Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, August 27th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have string cheese and muffin. For lunch is pizza. Monday for breakfast is chicken biscuit, and lunch is chicken tenders. Today's announcements. Attendance. Teachers should all have a working attendance page in your homeroom course of Schoology. I know we have a couple of exceptions to that aren't really working, so we're keeping at it to try to get those fixed. Please try to submit your attendance in Schoology this morning, as well as document on your paper copy of your class roll. These paper copies will be collected today, or someone will come around and make a copy so that you will have a copy and we will have a copy for documentation. Today's late duty is Miss Duberg. Important dates. By September 3rd, your vector training certificates are due to Nurse Eaton. That's our online training. September 6th is Labor Day, no school. Diagnostic schedule. So by today, we should be pretty much finished with our iReady reading. That was Wednesday and Thursday. On Monday, we will start iReady math. And next Wednesday and Thursday, we will have HMH growth measure. We realize that some of your students may not have login credentials yet. Have all students that can complete the diagnostic on schedule. We will accommodate those who can't currently log in as soon as those become available. The word of the day is array. An array is an arrangement of objects in equal rows. So this array is of apples, it looks like. It shows 3 rows of 5. And you can also put it in a grid. You can show it that way. You can have pictures be an array, or you can have blocks. 3 rows of 5. That makes it easy to figure out. You can count by 5s, 5, 10, 15. So it's one way to show multiplication, but it's also an easy way to show objects in equal rows. This week's birthday. So this week, these students have celebrated birthdays with us here at Kate Shepherd. Monday, Madison James and Simone Robinson. Tuesday, Torin Hayward. Wednesday, Braylon Curtis and Ty Edward Lewis. Thursday, Maria Drain, Matthew Husband. And today, Jamora Tate is celebrating his birthday. So happy birthday to all those Shepherd scholars this week. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Shepherd scholars. And have a good weekend.